Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? It's your girl Kelly. I hope you're all doing good. Thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking one more time on my video. And for all my old and new subscribers, warm welcome to you. Today I want to share with you a very simple recipe. This is one of our Togo street food, which is pop puff or BOTOKOIN, we call it in my country. So I'm using honey for this instead of sugar. You can use your sugar. I have salt here. I'm just gonna use a pinch of it. I have some dry yeast, some warm water here, and my flour, all-purpose flour. So now I will go ahead and mix all of them. I will just need a pinch of salt, my dry yeast, which is 1 tablespoon, my honey is gonna go there. That's 4 teaspoons. And my warm water. I am adding the warm water a little by little. You can do it once, just once. Sometimes I do this. I start from using my water. I put the water in the bowl first, and I add all the ingredients before the flour. The flour will be last, but this time this is how I do it. It depends on you. They all okay. Whichever way you want to mix them will be okay. So from here, I'm gonna just use my hand and beat the butter. You need to beat your butter very well. It helps the rising process, and the warm water also helps the rising process. So after I beat my butter about 2 to 3 minutes, because I don't have a lot of flour, I'm using just 2 cups of flour. So after I beat my butter very well, I'll go ahead and cover it up and put it in one warm place in my house, which is my oven. That is where I usually put it. So you see the consistency of the butter. That's how it's supposed to be when you are making BOTOKOIN or puff puff. So guys, if you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so you can enjoy all the recipes that I will be breaking up. Don't forget to subscribe and activate your clock, or just push all, and that will be all. So after 35 minutes, this is how my butter was rising after just 35 minutes. You see? Okay, that is. You just put your hand in just to take away. Once you put your hand in, all the air goes out. It will go out. Now time to fry it. So I'll leave this oil warm up before I start the frying process. Okay, now it's ready. As you can see, I am dropping my butter one by one. Whichever way you want to drop it in, it doesn't matter. Some people can use spoon, sometimes it doesn't matter. That's how I squeeze it. That's how I do mine. Now you flip them up, or you flip them over. After a couple minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, you flip them over. You don't want them to be burned. You give them a chance to be cooked both ways, up and down. That's the reason why you need to flip them over. Making puff-puff is not hard at all. It's a very simple step to take. You mix your batter, you leave it raised, and after that you put your oil on fire, and voila, you fry it. As you can see here, my BOTOKOIN is ready. You see that beautiful color? That's what you want when you are making your puff-puff. Yeah, one of our daily Togo street food. There is a twins. When it's stuck together like that, when we are little, that's what we want. When we are going to buy this on the street at the corner, we want the twins. I say, oh, I want the twins. I want the twins. Okay, guys, this is it. I'm gonna take them from separate them from the oil and put it here in my paper towel and let it drain the excess water from it, and that's it. Voila, you can enjoy from this time. Okay, that's it. Now I'll go ahead and finish my batter. I don't have a lot left. I'll just use it, and that will be all. Okay, finito. So guys, see the inside of my BOTOKOIN or puff-puff. See, that is what you need. Okay, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in my next upload. Don't forget to activate your bell. Okay,